Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and we have an unboxing. This is the Traxxas Stampede 2-wheel drive VXL with a brushless system in it. And well, did I wait for this so long? But yeah, here's the front of the box. The side, it's just your normal information. I don't really want to go over that because I just want to get it out and just look at it. I mean, I've been wanting to buy this truck for so long until I got my money saved up. So, well, yeah, here it is finally. Give me a second, and I'll put it back in a second. Let me just get this plastic off of it. So, you can skip to the video if you want. Okay, all the plastic is off of it. I got the green body, which is this one right here. So as you see, well, you'll see in a second. This ain't gonna be a long video, but I just wanna, take it out of the box for you and kind of just show it. Gotta cut this off. Hold on, another second. Hold on. All right. So open it. Got your Traxxas TQR radio. This model does not have a battery in it, so you get to choose your own battery. It actually got a 2S battery. Never mind. Already got a 2S battery. So anyway, let's put the box like this. Oh man, thing's sweet, dude. Just kind of pull it out. Oh yeah, dude, that's amazing. I'll do another review on this, just kind of pulling out of the box video, but yeah, thanks for watching.